What's up, everybody? Welcome to Hammerdown Motorsports. Today we have a new product from a company called Tomyvic. They reached out to me and said they wanted me to try this thing out, and I figured, you know what, I have a use for this and I want to show you guys how well it works. So let's have a look at what we get in the kit. We do get this nice carrying case so you can keep everything in there. You get a second battery. I have both of these charged up fully, so we're good to go, and it comes with a wall plug to charge those. We do have our saw itself. You can see it's a 6-inch, has a guard on the top, which is kind of movable. If you have to get it out of your way, you can, but you do have your low profile battery. It does come with some work gloves as well that have a little bit of a grip on them. We do have safety glasses. We do have an instruction manual. We have a screwdriver, and we also have a spare chain, which is nice. And we have the tool to change our chain if we need to. Also, it did come with this little bottle as well, because I didn't see a place for bar oil. So I think what you do is you just take this and then you put it on your chain. I did have to put my own bar oil in here. It did not come with the kit, but we're gonna lube this chain up and see how well it works. All right, so we're gonna start off small here. I have this little area here which I want to clean up and actually build a deck on, and we have this stuff growing here. That made pretty quick work of the little stuff. You can see these things are starting to bud. And I want to get rid of those. Chain seems very sharp, cuts through pretty easily. Then sometimes you're on the trail and you might have something a little thicker like this. Let's see how well we do. Like nothing. This thing actually works pretty good. Just for a handy tool just to bring along with you, start pruning up some trees and bushes. A lot of this stuff is hanging over when I'm mowing the grass, so let's get it out of our way. And as you can see, this one's actually fairly big, and it cut through it in only a couple of seconds, so the blade works really well, and this battery's been holding up pretty good too. Just like that. As you can see, that's a fairly good size. And obviously we are doing this one-handedly, but if you want to cut up some kindling, so as you can see here on our battery, this is a 21 volt, so it does have quite a bit of power for that small battery, and you can see how small this is and how easily it did cut through everything we needed it to. So I'm actually very impressed with this. I'm going to be putting this in my four-wheeler when I go out riding, and just kind of when I'm walking around the yard, I just want something quick to cut off some branches like what we just did. This thing worked absolutely awesome. So there it is, everybody, the Tomyvic 6-inch chainsaw, 21 volt, 2 rechargeable batteries, carrying case, and everything you're gonna need. All comes in the kit. Very cost effective. I will have a link in the description. Very big thanks to Tomyvic for sending this out. I will be making very good use of it here on the property. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, keep that hammer down.